Hello Year 2! Today we are going to be looking at money. So we're going to be looking at different coins and notes and making the same amount. Okay, so let's look at our first activity. Okay, so I want you to have a look at the boxes on the screen, and you can pause the video and count each of the boxes and see how much money is in each of them. And can you find two cards that have the same total? So count them carefully and see if you can find which two make the same total, the same amount. So you should have counted box A, which has £5 and 10 pence. Box B has £4 and 10 pence. And box C has £5 and 10 pence. So you will see, you should have found out that A and C have the same total. So they both have £5 and 10 pence, but as you can see, they are made in different ways. So that's what we're going to be learning about today and exploring how to make the same total, but by using different coins and notes. So when making the same amount, we can choose which coins or notes to make and which to change. So here you can see I've made 30 pence with a 20 pence and a 10 pence coin. And in box A, there is a different way that I could make that 30 pence. So I've used three 10p pieces. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 gives me 30p. So the same amount, but in a different way. And in box B, I've chosen to use 5p coins. So 6 5p's add together to make 30 pence. So again, the same total, the same amount, but just using different coins. So if you are finding the same amount, you can take each coin and break it down into smaller value coins, which have the same total. So for example, if I have 10p, I could make that in a different way by breaking it down into 5p and 5p. So I can see there I've got two 5p coins making the same total but in a different way. And the same with the 5p coin, I could break that down into 2p and 2p and 1p. Again, it's the same total, it's still 5p, but it's just using different coins. You can also replace groups of coins with a note or a coin of a larger value. So for example, if I had a £2 coin and three £1 coins, if I add those together, I would get the total of £5. So I could replace those coins with a £5 note. So the same total, but a different way of making that total. And likewise with my 5p coins, if I had four 5p coins, I can add those together and find out they make 20p. So instead of using four 5p coins, I could replace that with a 20 pence coin. So let's have a little go at this task then. We're going to see if we can make the same amount as the total shown below. So if we have a look carefully at the notes and coins, we can see the pounds, we have a £10 note and a £2 coin. So we add those together, we have £12. And if we look at the coins that are showing the pence, we have a 10p coin, two 2p coins and a 1p coin. So if we add those together, can you work out the total? Well done if you said 15 pence, because 10 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 15. So we have £12 and 15 pence. So let's see if we can change the £10 note and the copper coins, the 2p coins and the 1p coin. So how could we change the £10 note? What could we use instead of one £10 note? What else could we use? And instead of two 2p coins and one 1p coin, what other coin could we use? So I'm going to give you a little chance to have a think and then I'll show you the answer. Okay, so here is the answer. So we can see the £10 note, we could change that for two £5 notes. So a different way to make the same total. And our coins, our 2p and our 1p make 5p. So we could swap those and make a 5p coin. Again, the same total, but just in a different way. So we can see here, both amounts now show £12 and 15p, but in different ways. So let's have a look at this group of coins. So can we make the same amount using the smallest amount of notes and coins? So count carefully. How much money do we have here? What other way could we make this same amount? So if we first look at the pounds and we add those together, we can see we have £6 coins. So using the smallest number of notes, we could use a £5 note and a £1 coin, and that would give the same total of £6. Then if we look at the pence, we can add them together to find the total. So we have two 10p coins plus the three 5p coins, which total 35p. And to make 35p using the smallest number of coins, we need a 20p coin, a 10p coin and a 5p coin. So we can see here we have made the top amount in a different way using a £5 note, a £1 coin, a 20p pence, a 10p pence and a 5 pence. So we can see here we've made the same amount using different notes and coins. So we've got a £5 note, a £1 coin, a 20p coin, a 10p coin and a 5p coin. Both amounts show £6 and 35p. Right, a little task for you to do now. So I want you to have a look at all the different boxes, A, B, C, D, E and F. I want you to count the coins and the notes in them, find the totals, and I want you to write down tell your adult which boxes have the same amount, which have the same total. So you can pause the video to find out which boxes are showing the same amount. So the answers then, we can see that box B, box C and box F, those three boxes are showing the same amount in three different ways. So each box is showing £10 and 50p. So well done if you said those three boxes, fantastic. So your last task for today is to see, can you make 10p in at least 5 different ways using coins? So 10p, how else could you make that same total? So you can use 1p coins, 2p coins, 5p coins, and put them together in different ways to find me 5 different ways of making the same amount. So you could draw that on a piece of paper and take a photograph and send it to your teacher. We would love to see it. Okay, so good luck. I can't wait to see your work.